Hello, thanks for watching this video. He-Kui Sustainability Matters. The reason I'm wearing an eye mask is to demonstrate that I can memorize and explain the 10 scopes of LEED, BDC, leadership in energy and environmental design, building design and construction. The first scope is NC, new construction and major renovation. The reason why I use round brackets is from LEED official documents, the manual, the reference guide. Some of them use the round brackets, but some of them don't. The second one is CS, computer science. Sorry, it's wrong. Control strike. Sorry, it's wrong again. Core and shell. Core means MEP, mechanical, electrical, plumbing units, and fire suppression systems. Shell means the envelope, like the walls and the windows. Number 3 is schools, K to 12, kindergarten to 12th grade. But you can use it for higher education, like campuses in college or universities. Number 4 is retails, either sell products or provide customer services like grocery stores, fashion stores, banks, restaurants, etc. Number 5 is data center, because there are a lot of computers, equipment, services inside. They may need different requirements of temperature, humidity, and higher securities. Number 6 is warehouses and distribution centers. Number 7 is hospitalities. Hotels, motels, inns, they provide short-term lodging. Some of them provide food and some of them don't. And they are also under this hospitality. Number 8 is healthcare. For example, hospitals that operate 24 hours per day for those inpatients with medical treatment. Number 9 is homes and multifamily low-rise. Low-rise means from 1 to 3 stories buildings. And the last one, number 10, multifamily mid-rise. Also based on LEED 4.0, V4.0 reference guide. Mid-rise is 4 to 8 stories buildings, but several days ago I downloaded another document from USGBC official website. The document mentioned that the mid-rise is 4 to 6 stories, but it's okay if you apply for them either 4 to 6 or 4 to 8. Also, you may adopt another scopes I just mentioned. The number 1, new construction and major renovation. Okay, 10 scopes. Like the previous video, I'm asking you a favor. Many of you have been locked in your place because of the COVID-19. I'm sorry for that. I live in Taiwan and normally we wear surgical masks. But right now I'm in a mountain and I'm here for like 1 hour or even more. And no one show up. So I don't wear surgical masks. But please do that. Wear surgical masks, will go out, wash hand often. Cheer up, be happy, smile. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.